So you're stuck at home and you have nothing else to do other than sit at home and play video games or watch TV or eat. Well, I'm gonna change that right now, so let's get into today's video, guys. Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to another video on my channel. If you guys are new here, make sure to click that like and subscribe button, guys. It really does help me out. Well, today's video it's about creating another business. So I know I have a few videos of this on my channel, but with us being stuck in quarantine or staying at home, whatever you want to call it, I'm gonna give you guys a few little tips and tricks how to make your extra little cash while we're all stuck at home. Now, everybody thinks that you need to be, going outside and going door to door, but honestly, guys, now in this new age with everybody having their phones and their computers and their TVs always on them, I mean, their TVs probably not, but their computers and their phones mostly, everybody is shopping online. So I'm gonna give you guys a few tips and a few ideas on how to start your business while you guys are stuck inside your home. So let's get started. We have a little bit of ideas here in the book of knowledge. It's just ideas that I wrote down so that I remember what they are. So the first one, guys, is here. I'm just gonna put them right here, just so you guys know what they are. We have selling on eBay and on Etsy. Now, personally, I have never sold on Etsy, so I don't really know how to help you guys out with that. But with eBay, I know exactly how to do it. So all you need to do is go to eBay, create an account. It's super easy. You just put in your email, your phone number, log in, create an account, whatever. Same as every other place that you need to create an account for. And then what you do is you look around the house. Okay, we're gonna look around this desk. We have a deck of cards, and that probably won't sell. Here we go. I'm not allowed to touch the display, but we have some books back here. Let's just pick one of them. Let's do this Power of Moments. Okay, that one seems like a good book. I've never read it. I don't know if it's good or not, but what you can do is when you're on eBay, just type in your little keyboard, look up the Power of Moments, and you go over to, I believe it's on the left side, you click on past sellings and you see what it's being sold for. You see what other people have bought it for and what other people have sold it for. And then what you do is you just say, okay, well, it sold for $10. So we can either sell it for 10, 11, or maybe even 9, And then what you do is you take a few pictures of it, or you can even take a stock picture from the internet, like Google or whatever. Just look it up on the internet, and then you list it. It's pretty much the same as like a Craigslist or OfferUp or Letgo. It's the same thing. All you have to do is post it. Now, same with Letgo, OfferUp, and Craigslist. You can post your old items. You guys can't see it, but there's an old wakeboard up here. You can sell a wakeboard. Boating season is technically almost here. I would love to go on the boat right now, but enough about that. Stuff like old Altoids boxes, those stuff kind of won't sell, but your old collectibles, your old dolls, Legos, anything that you think will sell, just take a picture of it and list it. I think I've made like $100 a week doing this, which for a little kid, that was pretty good. I don't think you could get into like the 1,000 range unless you were selling like, bigger items like a car or whatever, but it's definitely there in the profit range. Okay, next up we have social media. Now, social media is the exact same and it's been the same, but it's also changing every single day. Now, what I mean by that is sometimes you need a lot of followers to get a social media ad, but sometimes you don't. So you just need to find the right person. So what you need to do is, let's say I like men's clothes, okay? Like, who doesn't like men's clothes? I love clothes. I need to wear them every single day. So what you would do is you would look up men's clothing, okay? Go to your phone, Google men's clothing. What you do is then you follow them and you DM them and you say, hey, I love your products and I would love to try them on, or I would love to do a review for them on my Instagram page. Would you be interested in working together? Okay, and most of the time I would say they say no, just because you might not have enough followers, or they might not be taking people right now. It's just out of all the reasons, sometimes they say no. Most of the time they do say no, which you gotta learn how to be okay with that. Most people are gonna say no. That's okay. If you don't ask, the answer is already no. Okay? But if you do ask, they could say yes. And I've had a few people say yes. I've gotten a few clothes from people, which I still wear. I love them. I love when I receive items from people. It's just so amazing. Now, the next one again is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is I would say it's one of the easiest but also hardest ways to make money online nowadays, just because anybody can get an affiliate link, but also it's super hard to navigate through the whole whole system of things. Affiliate marketing, just do some quick Google searches here. I'll put, you know, a little thing right there for you guys just to, you know, give you an example of what it is. But, you know, if you guys have not seen my affiliate marketing video, make sure to click up in the card. Dude, I'm so bad at which corner it is, I always forget, but it's one of these corners. We'll have a little card pop up and just click on that link. It'll teach you step by step on how to get your first affiliate marketing link for pretty much anything. Honestly, all you gotta do is be able to have a phone. The third and final one, it's pretty much like eBay, but it's a little bit different. Now, I don't think this one will work right now, but you know, you can always try. You can buy off Alibaba. Now, since Alibaba is based out of China, I don't think they are shipping anything right now, but they might be. So I have used those 3 ways to make some extra cash recently, and it's honestly helping me out a lot just because, you know, I wouldn't say laid off, but I have been put on pause for work. Just because, you know, everything going around right now and I don't work in an essential business, whatever, doesn't matter, but you know, you just gotta kind of do what you gotta do. And I hope this video helped. If you guys are having an amazing day, make sure to drop the like button, and I hope you guys are being safe, and I will see you guys in the next video. All right, adios guys.